Hey, in this tutorial we're going to take a look at opening repositories and getting started, cloning them, creating them, stuff like that. So you should see, once you open the Glint, you should have 3 tabs on the side: open, clone and create. And we'll just take a look at the top one first. So opening repository, you click on the button here and then just browse in your file system to the repository you want to open. You select that and it should just open the repository for you in a new tab. You'll see as well here there's a bookmark section. You can drag repositories from the tab bar into there, and it should also, you have a recently opened section, and you can also drag these into the bookmarks. You can create folders and folder structures here to organize your repositories, and then to open them again you just click on it and it will open. So that's opening from your local file system. The next tab is cloning. For this you'll need a remote to clone from, so I'm just going to open my web browser here where I have a repository on GitHub, and you just get the clone URL here and just paste that in, and then you click on browse and just find a place where you want to save this repository on your disk. Credentials you will only need if you're cloning a private repository, and we'll come to credentials in another video, but you can specify them here if you need them. You just click clone and it should clone and open that repository for you. That's all there is to this tab. So the last one is just creating. This is creating a brand new repository, so you just need to choose the path where you want to go to. Maybe here, I'll say new repo here. You can choose the name of the default branch and you just click create, and then it should create it with no commits in, and you can just get started on that repository. That's everything for getting started opening, cloning and creating repositories.